So today we are about to discuss resistance. What is resistance? Firstly, we will know resistance. Resistance is the obstruction. Obstruction means the opposing, which opposes or stopping, which stop the flow of current. So resistance, like friction, you understand? Friction. What does the friction? So friction opposes the real motion. Same as like viscosity in terms of water, liquid. If you are talking, so viscosity is the opposition force offered to the flow of water. Friction is the opposition force offered to the real motion. Same as when current flows, there is an obstruction in their path. That is known as, and different wires have different level of obstruction, degree of obstruction. So that is known as resistance. So you can simply say जो करंट के फ्लो होने में रोकता है उसे हम रेजिस्टेंस कहते हैं. जैसे रियल मोशन को जो अपोज करता है तो उसे हम फ्रिक्शन कहते हैं. जो पानी फ्लो करता है तो उसके फ्लो को जो रोकता है उसको हम विस्कोसिटी कहते हैं. तो सेम है, जो करंट के फ्लो को रुकावट उत्पन्न करता है उसे हम रेजिस्टेंस कहते हैं. फ्रॉम ओम्स लॉ वी नो दैट, फ्रॉम OHM ओम्स लॉ वी नो दैट V is equal to IR. R is equal to V by I, means voltage by current. Okay. Now we are not about to discuss Ohm's law. I have just given you the formula of resistance. And now there is another formula for resistance. R is directly proportional to length. What does this mean when I say R resistance is directly proportional to length? Means if the length of a wire gets doubled, then resistance will also get doubled. Means a shorter wire will have lesser resistance, but a longer wire will have more resistance. For example, if it is a wire of 2 meter and if it is a wire of 4 meter, then 2 meter wire will have lesser resistance as compared to 4 meter wire. As we know that resistance is directly proportional to length. Directly proportional, when we say directly proportional, means if something is gonna increase, the another quantity will also gonna increase. If I say A is directly proportional to B, so if A is gonna increase, B will also gonna increase. So it means directly proportional. So same here, resistance is directly proportional to length. If length is gonna double, then the resistance will also gonna double. Or if it is gonna half, then vice versa. You can say vice versa. Vice versa, many of you does not know the meaning of vice versa. Vice versa means if resistance gets length gets halved, then resistance will get halved. If length of the wire of a conductor gets doubled, then resistance will also get doubled. Understood? Now another point is that a resistance is inversely proportional to cross-sectional area. This is the second point. So what do you mean by inversely proportional, sir? So inversely proportional means if area of cross section will increase, then resistance will decrease. For example, if a wire's area of cross section doubled, then resistance will get halved. If the area of cross section will get halved, then resistance will get doubled. For example, just consider me as a motor army. Okay, so I have more cross sectional area, so I'll have less resistance. Okay, or if a thinner इंसान means थोड़ा जो पतला दुबला है, बच्चन साहब फॉर एग्जांपल, ठीक है, और आपने खाई के पान बनारस वाला देखा है, उसमें जो एक मोटा आदमी कहता है नाचा हो हमरा संगा नाचा, नहीं देखे हैं तो देख लीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा. उनका क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया और बच्चन साहब का क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया टोटली डिफरेंट. तो बच्चन साहब आदमी के क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया जिसका ज्यादा होगा, रेजिस्टेंस उसका कम होगा. मतलब ऐसे समझिए कि वो 5-6 केजी खा सकते हैं बिना रुके, कोई रेजिस्टेंस है ही नहीं, रुकावट कोई है ही नहीं. बच्चन साहब का बहुत सारा रुकावट है. हाँ, यहाँ से शुरू होता है उनका रुकावट. तो अब देखिए कि क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया क्या है. क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ज्यादा होगा तो रेजिस्टेंस कम होगा, और रेजिस्टेंस क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया कम होगा तो रेजिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा. अभी इसको मान लीजिए इक्वेशन 1 और इसको मान लीजिए इक्वेशन 2. अब इन दोनों को कंबाइन कर दीजिए. तो व्हाट विल यू गेट? रो H is R is equal to L by A. Correct. Now there is a proportionality constant as it is came in Ohm's law, resistance. So now there is a proportionality constant R is equal to rho. This is rho. L by A. This is the formula of resistance. Okay, and this is the proportionality constant. Proportionality chokha. Lity constant. Okay, so this is the proportionality constant and is known as what we call, it is known as resistivity. resistivity, and it is denoted like this. थोड़ा P को स्टाइलिश लिख दीजिए और इसको ऐसे लिखते हो, RHO, रो, रेजिस्टिविटी. ओके, तो ये अंडरस्टूड. अब नाउ इफ आई वांट टू फाइंड द रेजिस्टिविटी, सी रेजिस्टेंस एंड रेजिस्टिविटी आर टोटली डिफरेंट. Some students might have a confusion. Yeah, when I was in A's, I was considering resistance and resistivity both are same thing. No. See here. Now, if I want to find the rho, then this is in division. It will come in this side. Rho R into A, L will come this side, and then this is the formula of resistivity. So resistivity, and just opposite. Resistivity is directly proportional to R and cross-sectional area, but it must be proportional to length. So resistance will increase, then resistivity will increase. Cross-sectional area will increase, then resistivity will increase. But if length will increase, resistivity will decrease. So this is just opposite. Now I hope you understood. Starting from the, just recapping the whole lecture. Resistance is the obstruction. Obstruction means रुकावट. जो फ्लो को, करंट के फ्लो को रोकता है, उसे रेजिस्टेंस कहते हैं. Resistance will increase if length of the wire or conductor will increase. So if the length of the wire doubled, then resistance will get doubled. If the length of the conductor or wire gets halved, then resistance will get halved. And if resistance of a cross-sectional area of a conductor gets doubled, then resistance gets halved. Or if the cross-sectional area gets halved, then resistance gets doubled. Just opposite. Thank you. Jai Hind.